Hello and welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing how you can use ChatGPT for SEO keyword research. As you may know, keyword research is one of the most important aspects of search engine optimization. Without proper keyword research, you may struggle to get your content in front of the right audience. But with the help of ChatGPT, you can streamline your keyword research process and get better results. What is ChatGPT? Before we dive into how to use ChatGPT for SEO keyword research, let's briefly explain what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI. It uses machine learning to generate human-like responses to text prompts. This means that you can ask ChatGPT a question or give it a prompt, and it will provide you with a relevant response. Why use ChatGPT for SEO keyword research? So, why should you use ChatGPT for SEO keyword research? First, ChatGPT can help you come up with new keyword ideas that you may not have thought of before. Second, it can help you determine the search volume and competition level for your chosen keywords. Third, it can assist you in creating high-quality content by providing you with related topics and questions. How to use ChatGPT for SEO keyword research? Now, let's get into how you can use ChatGPT for SEO keyword research. First, you need to have a clear understanding of your niche and target audience. Next, you can use ChatGPT to generate keyword ideas based on your niche and target audience. For example, you could ask ChatGPT what are some popular keywords related to your niche, or what are some long-tail keywords that my target audience might be searching for. Once you have a list of potential keywords, you can use ChatGPT to determine the search volume and competition level for each keyword. For example, you could ask ChatGPT what is the search volume for keyword, or what is the competition level for keyword. This information will help you prioritize your keywords and focus on the ones with the highest search volume and lowest competition. Finally, you can use ChatGPT to generate content ideas based on your chosen keywords. For example, you could ask ChatGPT what are some related topics to keyword, or what questions do people ask about keyword. This will help you create high-quality content that is both relevant and valuable to your target audience. In conclusion, using ChatGPT for SEO keyword research can be a powerful tool for improving your search engine rankings and getting your content in front of the right audience. By using ChatGPT to generate keyword ideas, determine search volume and competition, and generate content ideas, you can create a comprehensive SEO strategy that will drive traffic and conversions. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video was helpful for you.